some functions and their graphs. If I take y is equal to fx, y को क्या बोलते हैं fx, क्या ले लें, y is equal to x. Now if I draw a graph on Cartesian plane, x axis, y axis, if you take the value of x 1 2 3, the value of y is also 1 2 3 0 0, because constant is not there, it passed from origin. So this is the graph. No, what is the domain of this graph? Domain is equal to x. So if you, what is the value of x? Real number. And range is also, if you put x 1 2 3 4 5 6, you will get the value of y. So y is also a, range is also a real number. Second, I will take a graph of constant function. इसको बोलते हैं identity function. Identity function. Now constant function, y is equal to fx is equal to, suppose c, y is equal to c, कोई line draw करनी. Now see here, this is x axis, this is y axis, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 0 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 1. So this is what, y is equal to c. But here you see that x are changing, c is fixed, that is constant is fixed, y is fixed. So domain is what? Domain is here. What is the domain? For what value of domain is that for what value of x is satisfied? x की कोई भी वैल्यू ले लीजिए आप, 1 ले लीजिए, 2 ले लीजिए, इधर x की कोई भी वैल्यू ले लीजिए, 1 लिया तो भी c आ रहा है, 2 लिया तो भी c आ रहा है. If I take this point is 2, c. If I take this is minus 1, c. So x तो क्या हो गया, डोमेन तो क्या हो गया, रियल नंबर. Now what is range? y की क्या वैल्यू फिक्स है, y is constant, c. Now I will take the graph of y is equal to x square. Now third, if I take a graph of y is equal to x square, that is y is equal to fx is equal to, y को अपन क्या बोलते हैं, fx is equal to x square. y और x में अगर अपन प्लॉट करेंगे तो we will get this curve. This is origin, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. Now if I take the value of x1, y will get positive. If I will take, suppose I will make a chart here, x y. If I take x0, y is 0. If I take x1, y is 1. If I take x2, y is 2. If I take x minus 2, y is 4. If I take minus 2, y is 4. This is minus 2, 4. This is 2, 4. So what we observe here, domain is what? Domain is for what value of the function is satisfied. For what value of function is satisfied. कोई भी रियल नंबर दे रहे हैं तो अपन का फंक्शन की वैल्यू आ रही है, तो डोमेन इज इक्वल टू रियल नंबर, r is रियल नंबर. नाउ व्हाट इज रेंज? रेंज कहां से स्टार्ट हो रही है? 0 से स्टार्ट हो रही है और कहां तक जा रही है? इंफिनिटी तक जा रही है. So range is start from 0 to infinity. So it is 0 to infinity range. Now I take another graph y is equal to 1 by x. It is logarithm graph. Here the माइनस जीरो, जीरो नहीं होगा, वो इंफिनिटी हो जाएगा फिर. नाउ सी हियर, इफ आई ड्रॉ अ ग्राफ, it look like this. This is y, this is y dash, this is x, this is 0 1 2 3 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now it will look like this. If you take a point, it will look like this. It will look like this. Here we will see that the graph will not touch the 0. So what is domain? x की कुछ भी वैल्यू लीजिए, कोई भी रियल नंबर ले लीजिए, रहेगा एक्सेप्ट x नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0, 0 नहीं होगा. सेम रेंज, एनी रियल नंबर बट x नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0. नाउ आई विल टेक मॉडुलस फंक्शन. Modulus function graph of modulus function y is equal to fx is equal to mod x. Now the graph of this is always positive like this. If you take x1 x minus 1, so it is real positive number domain. x आप कुछ भी ले लीजिए, 1 ले लीजिए, this is 1, you will get y also 1. There are two values of x, that is y या fx is equal to minus x, x less than 0, positive x greater than 0. So range is what? Domain is what? Domain is any real number. Any real number. What is range? Range is minus 1 लिया तो क्या आ रहा है? Range is always positive real number. Positive real number. Now I will take the graph of Singham function. Sixth, Singham function. The graph looks like this: x-axis, y-axis, this is 0, this is 1, this is minus 1, 1, 2. Here you see that this is a line y is equal to 1, this is a line y is equal to minus 1, and this is y is equal to 0. But x are changing. Here x is 2 comma minus 1, here it is 1 comma 1. So domain is here what? Real number. This function we can write this: if it is 1, if x is greater than 0, if it is 0, if x is equal to 0, if it is minus 1, it means x is less than 0, x is less than 0. So here domain is what? Domain is any real number, but range is 1 0 minus 1 0 1. रेंज यही है 1 0, x की वैल्यू चेंज हो रही है. नाउ सेवंथ है ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन. ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन y is equal to fx is equal to neither continuous nor discontinuous. The graph is look like this. One, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3. Now see here, this is open. If I take this minus 1 to 2, 2 to 3, the graph runs like this. If x is equal to greatest integer function is 1 है, it means it starts from 0 and less than 1. if it is x is equal to 0, suppose x is equal to 1, it starts from 1 and less than 2. It starts from 1 and less than 2.